Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy FX, and I'm here again to show you. Yeah, I know I promised you guys indicator strategy, but guys, just take a look at this. Like I've said this time we have no, but I don't like using indicators a lot. I actually prefer using price action, doing my analysis, and getting the market right. But I'm still working on the indicator settings. I'm gonna give it to you guys, but guys, while waiting for this, I know some of you have actually. Hold on, guys. Some of you have actually gotten to like so much of my videos in the past weeks is because of how I've showed you how the market actually works, kind of, and also I've also shown you the proofs by showing you how we make it out of the VIP. Of course, I share my losses as well. We didn't lose much, but on this trade, yeah, this was our first entry. So before I continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share it to your friends, and a big thank you to all our new intakes on the mentorship. A lot has been going on, and I like the way we are able to use what we have to showcase it the easiest way we can. So let me not talk much. Let's just go straight up into today's video. So this was our first entry. This was our first entry. Remember, I'm using price action, and this is a 4-hour time frame. So you guys also know that I love the 4 hours so much. You know that as well. And okay, I think I didn't see this horizontal line here. So let's trace it. How do we get there? The horizontal line, where was it from? Okay, so this is where the horizontal line came from. We had a support at that level, but also now you've seen that using the daily time frame, that's always the 24-hour if you're using your laptop. You've seen that this is an uptrend, yeah. Like there's a bit, it's a ranging market, but if you go down to the H4, okay, or let's say H1, if you are able to maybe push your screen to show you a bit, you see that this was an uptrend on this side, but the market is ranging on the daily time frame, but that's not what we are talking about. You are not going to consider some of that. So now you see that we have here, there is a support here, because the last time I've always talked about this repeated patterns. So the last time market got to this level, this point here, let me put a red line there. Okay, so we have a support there, as you can see, and also at this point here we have a resistance. At this point here, let me put another one. These are the new lines I'm bringing up. At that point there we have another one. Now, having seen that, you've seen that at this level market is likely to reverse, and I've told the VIPs after giving the trade there is a slight resistance at that level, so it's better we start pulling out. And man, we were able to push this $269.96 account to 614. That's from the first entry and also the second entry. And yeah, we had a loss of $19 on this particular market. That was this one here, but we were able to recover this money, so recovery is sure. So we've been having other trades, no losses incurred at all, okay, except this, the boom 300, but also we're able to get it back on the crash 300 and also on the boom 300 again. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. If you want to join the VIP, hit me up. Check the description of this video, you find the link. Okay, you find the link. So as I was saying, now you've seen that on the 4 hours, that's why I always talk about using the 4 hours higher time frame, 24 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, then you go down to 15 minutes and the rest to look for entries and maybe a close structure. Okay, So now this is the 4 hours. We've gotten these levels here within here and here, but also recall that we still have some levels here and one under here. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, now on the red lines, you've seen how clear that is. This is the former place that market started reversing from after finding it difficult to break to get down to this level again, and this was where our entry was. So maybe I should have just I kept our our first SL here, so it smashed our SL. Let me increase this. It smashed our SL. Let me see what the SL was. I just want clarity on this so that you understand what we're talking about. 419095 419095 419095. So you see, my SL was right there. Had it been, I took it a bit below that place, a bit below. Okay, let me. 419 419095 419095. So had it been, I brought it a bit below this level, okay, we would have still been in profit, but we are able. But being that we had other positions running, that's why some people will ask you, why do you guys open different positions? Why don't you just put everything at once? No, you don't want. There's how you get into the market and you just want it to stop at a certain level, okay, and so that in case maybe you're in profit on so many positions, you can decide to close some and allow some to really go to hit your target. Same thing with the SL. You place your SL. Okay, this is my first. The way we have TP1, TP2, we should also be having SL1, SL2. It's not compulsory, but the TP is more important here. But the SL, depending on your account. So when I'm talking about SL1, SL2, that's okay. This first position, if it breaks this level, it closes. I'm going to take a risk with the rest. If it takes it out, okay, that's my SL2, and I'm done. Okay, so as I was saying, now we've seen that at the beginning I was taking it a little bit below because I expected market to actually not break this level because this previous place here stopped around here, so I had to put my SL there. So it actually took me out, but it was just a small loss from here to this level. Okay, took us like 19, took me like 19, having other positions running. Okay, so it was able to come back, and when I saw this retest here, it came down, pulled back again. It pulled back again and started creating this structure. So once I saw that it started creating this structure again this morning, I now give it up to the VIPs for a buy. Okay, I tell them to buy it again. Let's get full payment. So now market is likely to reverse from this position. Okay, it's likely to reverse from this position, but there is a probability that it will get here first. Let me pull this back a bit. It will get here to this level first. And you've also seen that market also got to this level. So the TP actually should be within this range from here, from this point where price is to this level. So this could actually be a TP1, TP2, then the top could be the TP3. That's the highest risk. Okay, so you have to accumulate. That's why we always talk about accumulating your profit. So since we've been here, market has been going up and coming down, but I actually expect it to break, okay, because it might actually be covering up to this level here. So this is the TP3 I was talking about. So this is the last place market reverse from, and you see that we have a resistance at this level. So once you've had this analysis, that's why understanding how price has been in the past is very important. So this is the 25-1S. This is the first time I'm making a video with the 25-1S. Now taking you to crash. Okay, I've been using a lot of crash 300, but let's go to crash 1000. Okay, this is 4 hours. I have not traded crash 4000 for a while now. So 4 hours, this is like 8 hours. So this is like some days ago, and since then I've not looked at it. This is already a support here, and that's why I've been focused. Okay, being aside the fact that I've been busy, I've been focused on just one trade, the 25 one is, which I followed up closely. So had it been I was here to also follow up on the crash 1000, I'd see that it has gotten to a level whereby it's supposed to buy. And I think let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so the daily time frame is showing a huge reversal. That means market has already respected this place. You see, it was a resistance here, but now turned to a support at this level. So you will be willing to take the risks off. When market gets to this level, you go in for a buy, place your SL way below the last structure, maybe here, okay, because you don't expect it to break this level. At least it might break this one, but you don't expect it. Okay, let's say this is going to be your SL1, the first structure below. This is going to be your SL2. But to make it more comfortable, you can also decide to use the 15 minutes time frame. But I don't really look. You know that if spikes should come, it barely respects the SL, except you are trading with the spikes. So that as it's ticking, it's just coming down till it hits the SL. But so when you're trading against spike, you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful to follow up. Okay, on your own. Okay. So I'm not going to be talking about the SL here. So if you want to join the mentorship class, you want to join the VIP, you want to join the account management, anyone you need, just hit me up. So you've seen that this actually works on the boom, the crash, as I said earlier, almost all pairs. So here at this point, I'll be expecting to sell. This is the 4 hours. This is the boom 300. We have that there. Let's see the daily time frame. You've seen this. If I didn't come to the daily, this part won't show. This is what we are seeing. The 4 hours. This is just this part that we are seeing. That market came here and couldn't break it, reversed, and when it came here, it was able to break it. Since it broke it, it turned to a resistance. Came back, couldn't break. This is likely not to break as well. And now, I went back to the daily time frame. What did I see? I saw this other part of the market. That also, this was already a resistance before coming to be a resistance here again. So I'm sure that if I should trace this very well, but we will not be going back there because it's actually a very far distance. We can work with what we have here. And also, don't also forget that this is an uptrend. Okay, don't forget that this is an uptrend. So it breaking this level might be going up to boom to this level. Okay, but now we have a resistance here. You could just scalp. That's where scalping comes in. You scalp some positions, take the profit and leave, because once you see that this is an uptrend, but it might actually just delay at this point before breaking it to go way up to maybe this level here. So if this video has been helpful to you, just do what to like, join the free Telegram channel. Link is on the description on this video, and you're going to love it there. If you want to learning is very important, and it's very I actually love teaching. Like right now, I actually enjoy making this video to show you that there is magic in this thing. So let's go back to the 25-1S where we were. So market has started coming down from that level. It has started coming down. This is a H4, and by 9 a.m. it's going to be closing and a new candlestick will come up. So that candlestick, okay, is either it's going to respect this place or it's going to pull us up to this level. Okay, so make sure you join us, watch this video, like it, share it to your friends. You can watch it, try this out. Okay, and for clarity, join the class. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. She know where the struggle don't reach. She gonna start to do for. Okay. Excuse me. So just before now, as I made the first video, I talked about this is a new candlestick that has just opened, and I said that this candlestick will break us down or it will take us to the top. So I also talked about having a minor resistance at this level, not really a minor, but we had a resistance at that level. If as you're watching the video, if you watched from the beginning, so which was courtesy of this position here, and this position here. So it's been respectful of this place. Okay, as we said, it's been respectful of this place that we were able to find earlier on. So the magic here is very simple. It's very, very interesting. This is a video that that has shown you that with that it's magical, it can work. But also playing with different time frames still comes into play, in the sense that you see other things, but I love using the higher time frame. So you see how this works, and this is just how it is. We make money every now and then. And also, if you've noticed, I've closed some positions, and this is just one position running from here, while I have two positions running from here. So I've taken my profit. As I said, I told the VIPs to take profits. Okay, hey, that's the mini resistance has been sighted, and this was on the 4-hour time frame. Mini resistance at that point, and here is where we take cover and clear with some positions. So thanks for watching. This is how it works. See you guys. Bye.